and welcome back. Today I will show you how to crochet V-stitch. It's quick, simple and creates a lovely open texture. I'm using lightweight yarn and a 4mm hook. Let's begin. For V-stitch, just chain an odd number. I will chain 21 for the sample. Start in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same chain stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And that's the V-stitch. Now skip to chain 1, 2, and make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and continue till the end of the row. And at the end, we will have 2 chain stitches left. Make a double crochet in the last chain stitch. In row 2, make a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and turn your work. Now make each new V-stitch into the chain 1 space of the V-stitch below. So here is chain 1, we will make another V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. And again, here is chain 1, make another V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, keep repeating till the end of the row. At the end of the row, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from previous row. 1, 2, 3. And that's the V-stitch. V-stitch works great for lightweight blankets or lacy scarves. Try mixing colors every few rows for a striped effect. That's it for the V-stitch. It's one of the easiest decorative stitches you will ever learn. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video where we will learn how to crochet a puff stitch.